Hey guys, today we are talking about human growth hormone HGH. It is a protein which is secreted from the anterior pituitary gland. It is anabolic due to its stimulation of bone and skeletal muscle growth, but it also has some metabolic functions such as maintaining blood glucose levels, stimulating release of fatty acids from the fat cells, increasing the uptake of glucose and amino acid into the muscle cell. A shocking fact about HGH is that until 1986, this hormone was only available through the pituitaries of human cadavers, and also the cost of this hormone was extremely high. Not only that, using HGH from human cadavers had high levels of risk for the athletes who wanted to use it. However, nowadays HGH is synthetically derived using recombinant DNA technology. So why is HGH used? Clinicians prescribe recombinant HGH to increase stature in short children who lack human growth hormone, and it's also prescribed to adults to improve their body composition. Also, although not prescribed, a lot of athletes use HGH as a performance enhancing substance. And here are some very popular brand names for HGH: Humantrop, Neutropin, Norditropin, Genotropin, Serostim, Sazin, and Prototopin. Okay, let's talk about efficacy of HGH now. There appears to be no studies on the efficacy of the use of the HGH amongst professional athletes. Most investigations about HGH have focused of HGH being used as a replacement therapy amongst children or adults who lack human growth hormone naturally. These studies have consistently shown a positive alteration in body composition. That means increased lean muscle mass and reduction in body fat percentage. Alright, let me share another study with you. So in men with established deficiency of human growth hormone, nightly injections were given of recombinant HGH, and after 6 months, on an average, each individual had gained 12 pounds of lean muscle mass and had lost similar amount of fat. Now the question is, why do athletes use HGH? Because of its perceived efficacy. Not only that, HGH use cannot be detected in a random drug test. Yes, the blood samples are needed if one needs to figure out if the athlete is using HGH or not. Now the question is how to use HGH. And I'm making very clear, I'm not suggesting that you use it, I'm just sharing information how HGH is used amongst athletes. So HGH is a protein molecule. Injection is necessary if an athlete wants to avoid its full metabolism and wants to maintain its effectiveness. Oral ingestion does not result in any benefit. Okay, now let's talk about the adverse effects of HGH. Excessive secretion of human growth hormone during childhood leads to gigantism. It's a condition where a person becomes abnormally tall. After puberty, once the linear growth has stopped, excessive secretion of human growth hormone can lead to acromegaly. It's a condition where a person becomes disfigured. It leads to the disfiguration of bones, enlargement of organs, and also metabolic conditions. Other adverse effects include diabetes, cardiovascular dysfunctions, muscle, joint, bone pain, hypertension, accelerated osteoarthritis, etc. I hope this helps. I'm going to see you soon with more knowledge and more topics.